The Smoothie Diet Review. The Smoothie Diet is going to change the way you look at smoothies. While there's no denying that there are many juicing and smoothie recipes out there that are just fad diets, the same cannot be said about this system. It involves all different aspects of your health, from your fitness to your lifestyle, nutrition, eating schedule, and much more. While there's no denying that it definitely has a lot to do with smoothies, it doesn't leave out the other factors that are key to achieving sustainable weight loss, improved energy levels, and ultimately, a better lifestyle as a whole. As long as you like smoothies, then you may have just found your ultimate solution to losing weight and improving your life. The Smoothie Diet system. To say the Smoothie Diet is just a system for juicing and smoothies would be a total understatement. Instead, it's a comprehensive guide to changing your diet, fitness, and life as a whole, equipped with everything you need to do just that. I'll explain this further later on, but for now, here's a look at the different components of the program, all of which you receive access to when you purchase the Smoothie Diet Main Guide Smoothie Diet System. Smoothie Schedule. Shopping Lists. Recipe Cards. Daily Journal, Healthy Eating Guide. Workout Plan. Right there, you can see that your dieting schedule, grocery shopping, smoothie making, progress, clean eating aspirations and exercise is taken care of. This program even provides variations of their recipes to ensure everyone can use it, with 3 extra guides that include diabetes-friendly recipes, gluten-free recipes, smoothies for kids. It's also worth mentioning that while this program has a lot to do with smoothies, it also provides you with meal plans for healthy eating in general, which can be found in the Healthy Eating Guide. This is key since no one is actually going to drink smoothies for the rest of their life. So, you need to know how to eat clean when you slow down on the smoothies or when you want to skip a smoothie as a snack and enjoy something else. Green smoothies for weight loss. Additionally, you're provided with everything you need to know about smoothies, nutrition, and exercise. This is a huge benefit because not knowing why you're following a regime increases your chances of not being successful. In other words, if you don't know why you should have an antioxidant-infused smoothie, you're more likely to skip over it for something else. Knowledge is power, and this program definitely doesn't leave that out. I also think it's important for everyone to know that these smoothies aren't disgusting smoothies that you're going to have to plug your nose just to get them into your system. In fact, I have yet to find a recipe that I don't enjoy. It's like a treat, as opposed to a chore, which is another reason why finding success and seeing results with this program is so easy. Now, if you're still not convinced, you do receive a 60-day money-back guarantee when you purchase the Smoothie Diet. So, if you decide that you'd rather feast on fast food and feel just as lousy with what you're eating, that option is available to you. The best part? The entire system is online. You don't have to pay for shipping, nor do you have to wait for a package to arrive. You simply sign into your account and download the content onto your desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. This is a significant benefit, as you'll be able to eat properly whenever and wherever you are because you'll always have the system on you, without having to carry around several different books. As you can likely already tell, this is one heck of a comprehensive system that does focus on smoothies, but that also incorporates all factors into the program, factors that are crucial to achieving sustainable weight loss and fitness. Considering sustainable weight loss is believed to be 80% diet and 20% exercise, it's pretty safe to say that the Smoothie Diet has provided you with everything you need to follow those guidelines. And if at the end of the day, you decide that you don't like enjoying delicious smoothies that boost your energy, health, fitness, and weight loss goals, you can opt for that 60-day money-back guarantee. But first, you have to give it a try, which you can do right now. Get this product, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like the video to mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching.